2008 की फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन ने पूरी वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी को तहस नहस कर दिया था एंड विच इज ऑल्सो रेफर्ड टू एज द वर्स्ट इकोनॉमिक डिजास्टर सिंस दिस पैंडेमिक। इंडिया पर भी इसका काफी असर हुआ था और बहुत सारे लोगों की जॉब चली गई थी। तो इसी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन को बेस करके मैं आज आपको एक दमदार फिल्म की कहानी सुनाऊंगी। So hi guys, I'm Rajrupa Datta. Welcome to my channel and you're watching Vitar. And in today's video, I'm going to review the film Khuda Hafiz directed by Farooq Kabir. तो ये तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया कि 2008 की फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस के साथ इस फिल्म का एक रिलेशन है। तो अब फिल्म की कहानी थोड़ी सी बता दूं। तो फिल्म की कहानी कुछ ऐसी है। समीर एंड नरगिस एंड हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ, दे आर बोथ फ्रॉम लखनऊ एंड दे वर्क फॉर टू डिफरेंट कंपनीज, सो दे आर अ हैप्पी फैमिली। बट इन 2008 बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस दे बोथ लॉस्ट देयर जॉब। और इस सिचुएशन में सिर्फ अरेबियन कंट्रीज में अच्छी जॉब मिल रही थी विद अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ सैलरी, सो दे बोथ अप्लाइड फॉर द जॉब थ्रू एन एजेंट। और कुछ दिनों के बाद नरगिस गॉट द जॉब इन ओमान एंड शी लेफ्ट फॉर दैट कंट्री। और इसी के साथ फिल्म में ट्विस्ट आता है, क्योंकि एक दिन रात को समीर के पास एक फोन आता है और उसे पता चलता है कि नरगिस मुसीबत में है और समीर निकल पड़ते हैं नरगिस को बचाने के लिए। अब नोमान में ऐसा क्या हुआ था, नरगिस क्यों मुसीबत में पड़ गई और क्या समीर आखिर में नरगिस को बचा पाएगा, ये सारे सवालों के जवाब आपको इस मूवी में मिल जाएंगे। The most surprising element of this movie is the acting of Vidyut Jammwal, because after the Commando series and Yara, we all thought that he is only good in action sequences and he need to do a lot of improvement in his acting and dialogue delivery. But he proved us all wrong in this film, because here he portrayed the character of a worried husband who is afraid because his wife is in danger in a foreign country, and also he is determined to rescue her by hook or crook. So that emotion and that pain and worry were enacted really well on the screen, and he did an amazing job in portraying that character. Shivalika Oberoi, who did the character of Nargis, she was also good, though she doesn't have much to do in the film, but overall her performance was good. And also Annu Kapoor, who portrayed the character of a taxi driver of Noman. Now his character was that of a good stranger who helped Sameer throughout the whole film in the foreign country, and also he was his only trusted companion. He also did his part really well. Now let's come to the positive and negative points of this movie. So I'm very happy to watch this film because it's actually a family movie. ऐसे तो family movie बोल के कुछ भी दिखा देते हैं, but this film has action sequences, entertainment and also a good storyline. Now in the positive points, first of all the acting of Vidyut Jammwal, he portrayed his character really well. Secondly, the background score and the title track of this film was really good. Khuda Hafiz is very different from the typical Bollywood action drama because it doesn't only show the fighting sequences between the hero and the villain. Because Sameer is a character who is worried and afraid because his wife is missing in a foreign country, and also he is determined to rescue her by hook or crook. So that dilemma is presented in a very different way, and also the story gives opportunities to every character to play their roles. And last but not the least, the minute details in the film, like from the immigration center to the involvement of Indian embassy and the involvement of the government of that country to help Sameer. These minute details make this movie really beautiful. Now if we come to the negative points, as such कोई negative points इस movie में नहीं है, but the story is not so impactful. Like sometimes it gets predictable, but the minute details, the actings of all the characters actually make this a perfect weekend watch. So don't miss this film, and also you can watch the film on Disney Plus Hotstar. And now comes the very usual part of every video, that is, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends. If you have any kind of feedbacks, you can let me know in the comment section below, or you can follow me on my Instagram. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. See you guys on my next video. Till then, stay tuned.